Right, we're gonna get into it because y'all know I don't waste no motherfucking time. All right, so right now I'm using some clear, and then I'm going back in with some pink mica powder, and then I'm gonna go in with a color that I already created that's kind of like a soft shade, but I'm showing y'all what that looked like. It was too opaque, which is clear. You know, opaque means clear. So I'm adding in a little bit of that old color. I also showed you the swatch on the paper towel just now, so I'm adding that in to make it a little more of a thick color, less see-through, you know, less sheer. So, you know, I just showed y'all the swatch. Now I'm adding in some more clear just to fill up the rest of the container, and add a little bit of pink, you know, just to, you know, fill the container up to my liking. All right, and I added in a little more pink because, you know, as you add other shades, you lose your original shade. But yeah, just keep adding until it's the right consistency for me, and that is just freaking perfect. All right, it's freaking perfect. So I wanted a little bit more pink because your girl loves pink, you know, and y'all, Pink Friday 2 just came out, and if you're a barb, you love pink too, so I had to get the right shade of pink going. So now it's time for me to use some Protein Bond, you know, just to make sure my nails actually stick, you know, and stay. No lifting over here. So, you know, I added that in, and you got to make sure that you tamper the top of the nail. If y'all hear anybody yelling like an asshole in the back, it's my brother. He just won't shut up. I'm sorry. So yeah, he's playing a game right now. So I'm just going in and I'm shaping my nails to my liking. Okay. And yeah, like I said, we doing shorties. Y'all, I ain't never did shorties on my channel before. I am also gonna do a way shorter version of this on Instagram. I don't really think that will be very fulfilling because, you know, like, you won't really be learning anything. But if you just want to see it, you don't really care about the details, follow my nail page. But if you like the details, then stay where you at. All right, so I am now just filling in the top. I know you could do this with one bead, but to make sure that everything is flat and to reduce the amount of time that I'm gonna be filing my nails, I like to do 2 beads just to control the consistency a little better. My acrylic powder that I used to like mix is from Young Nails. I love their acrylic powder. It's fire. It gets the job done every freaking time. Best company ever, hands down. Okay, so I'm basically just showing you guys the same thing again on my index finger. Okay, and you have to make sure you tamper the top. Like, you see the top where the cuticle is, near your cuticle, you have to make sure like you like fade it a little bit, because if you just clunk the acrylic there, you will see it, you know, once you start doing your filing. Like, it's gonna be like a line of defamation, and we don't want that. So that's what I'm doing. And, you know, I actually really liked how these came out. These shorties were mad cute and mad short, but we added some designs in, as you guys see in the thumbnail, and it just came out really cute and nice. It only lasts me a week because my nails started chipping because of my job, but it is what it is. So now, you know, I'm just filling it in. I just love how it's just easier to control the product when you're doing shorter nails, in my opinion. But that's also because I'm relatively, I'm kind of still new at this. I don't do my nails as much as the average person would. I started doing my nails in 2020, but I literally only do my nails. So that means that throughout the course of a year, I'm probably doing my nails like how many times? Probably about like 10 times. But I was using a 80 buffer, and right now I'm using Luxa polish. I love their polish. I only use Luxa polish. I'm using their gel pod in black, and I am using I believe this brush is from Dev. If you guys really want to know where I get my supplies from, you can definitely ask me in the comments. I'll definitely tell you everything. I'm not a gatekeeper, but yeah, I wanted it to be like a deep French, even though it's a short nail, you know what I'm saying? Because I have a thing against my nails looking like the little chickpeas, you know what I'm talking about, like the little gum, like the little square candies. I don't, you know, short nails just give me that vibe, and I don't be liking that. So, you know, I was trying to make it look as not like that as possible. So right now we doing them flames, baby, and I love doing flames. Like, it's just so fun. It's very fun. They just came out so nice. This is actually like my second time, because I ain't done flames in a long time, like some months, right? It's been a minute, maybe like a year, because I'm not really, I like doing flames, but I'm not too fond of doing them on myself because I just feel like it takes mad long. So, you know, I'm getting it done. And I actually go back in a second time and I go over certain parts that look a little patchy, because we don't do patchy over here. I got some crystals from a nail store in New York City. I posted it in my shorts. All right, so if you guys want to see that, you can go there. Their gems were freaking fire. Typically I use Zule nail glue, but my bottle is like stuck shut, like it won't open, so I had to just use my regular clear base and apply the gems right on top of that and set it in, and it ended up sticking for a very long time. Zule though is next level, top tier. Get that nail gem, like if you put that on, you're gonna be fighting to get the gems off, and that's what I like a little, you know, a little chaos when I'm trying to get, you know, nobody want their gems popping off, they stay on forever. So this is how it turned out. I freaking loved it. I hope you guys love it. You know what to do. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will keep posting these type of videos. But if you guys don't interact, baby, guess what? I'ma stop. So later.